Hello, and welcome to our channel, Master of Finance. In today's video, we'll be discussing an extremely important topic for anyone looking to maintain healthy financial control. How can I improve my credit score? Before we get started, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our valuable financial tips. Let's grow our knowledge together and build a more secure financial future. A credit score is a number that reflects your financial health. It is used by financial institutions to evaluate the risk of lending you money. A high score can lead to lower interest rates and better financing terms, while a low score can make it more difficult to access loans and credit cards. Therefore, improving your credit score is essential. To help you in this process, we've listed some effective strategies. Let's go through them. 1. Pay your bills on time. Your payment history is one of the most important factors in determining your credit score. Set reminders or use apps to track your bills and make sure you never miss a due date. 2. Keep your debts under control. It's important not to max out your credit card limit. Try to keep your usage below 30%. This shows responsible credit use and can improve your score. 3. Diversify your credit. Having different types of credit, like a credit card, a personal loan, or financing, can help boost your score. However, use them responsibly and avoid taking on unnecessary debt. 4. Review your credit report. It's crucial that you know what's in your credit report and check for any errors. If you find incorrect information, contact the responsible institution to get it corrected. This can positively impact your score. 5. Avoid too many credit inquiries in a short time. Each time you apply for new credit, it can slightly lower your score. Try to limit the number of credit applications you make within a short period. 6. Be patient and persistent. Improving your credit score doesn't happen overnight. It's a process that requires time and discipline. Keep following the tips we shared, and over time, you'll see positive results. To wrap up, remember that your credit score is a powerful tool for your financial future. By following the strategies we discussed, you'll be on the right path to improving your score and unlocking better financial opportunities. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and share your experiences in the comments. Your participation is very important to us and helps build a more informed financial community. See you next time.